I have to ask the most seductive question. Are we in a simulation? Are we just carbon-based avatars where our thoughts and impulses, these activity that you've been tracking, that those are just keyboard prompts or mouse clicks in another dimension?
See, since the simulation theory has been like popularized, yes, it's also been vulgarized.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm starting to think I should say no, because otherwise people think it's just, trivial or something like that. But I've been thinking about this for decades, before it was cool, I guess. So in that sense, I would say yes. The idea is you're a meat avatar, that your brain is mostly made out of, your brain is basically meat. It's a similar consistency than a steak, although more unsaturated, DHA, EPA, fatty acids than saturated fatty acids, but otherwise mostly steak.
Mm-hmm.
But computational meat, yes. So yeah, the idea would be that this is close to avatar, like in the sense that your experience is reality right now, but once you shut it off, you're going to be in some other reality that we can fully understand. And I think once virtual reality becomes more popular, most people will realize that this has already happened, if that makes sense. That, it's just in some other reality. Yeah. Have you tried virtual reality?
Yeah.
So it's shocking, right? Like, holy wow. So
we used to develop virtual reality actually. So work in creating it. But I digress. Yeah.
No, but the idea is that if we can now create some virtual reality, you're probably wearing these virtual reality classes right now in some other dimension. And they're like, hey, what would we like to live among the monkeys on a rock that's spinning around the sun? That sounds exciting, right? So you clicked on that. Living among the primates for a couple of decades, right? On a rock spinning around the sun. That sounds awesome, right? Maybe as a vacation, right? Who knows?
Who's at the controls of this simulation?
Well,
who do you think?
Maybe you, whatever you is, like your real you, yes?
In the other dimension.
In the other dimension, or the demiurge.
Uh-huh.
Maybe benevolent, maybe not. Maybe God, maybe all of us. I don't know. Again, this just transcends any category that we have to understand reality.
How much probability do you assign to the simulation argument, and what's your confidence interval for it?
I mean, I'm sure it has to be something like that. I wouldn't call it a simulation anymore because since it has been like vulgarized, it's kind of like, yoga. Once that's popularized, it also becomes, vulgarized. But yeah, I'm pretty, something like this happening for sure.
That's your number, probability.
I'm sure of it.
100%?
No, you can never be 100%. As a
99?
As a Bayesian, you can never be sure about anything.
Yes.
But highly probable. Whatever you assign to that.